So I'm going to get content that I will use to show you how you can add heading to your content using Google Docs. So I'm going to get content. I'll just pick one of these content here. Okay. Okay. So let's assume let's pick content. I'll get the title. This is the title. I use this one for heading. So I'll paste the first one. Okay, so I'll click here. I'll put it in the middle. So I'll place it in the middle, then I'll have to place it by the right so I can paste the body of the content. So that is it. So let me put this one on heading. So now if you want to put it on heading, click on this A that has about 4 lines. Click on it. Then you click here, you are seeing normal. Then which of the headings do you want to select? If you want to put it in title, fine. If you want to put it in subtitle, fine. If you want to put it in heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. So I'm going to be selecting one of the headings. So I'm using this one. So if I'm not okay with the font, I'll select the one I want. Then I'll use bold. I'll put it in the bold, tick bold. Okay, so that is it. All right, that is it. Then in case you want to add page break, to your work, that is page break. For instance, I have another content, but I'll just paste this one. Let me see. Let me add another page break. So you see, page break. Let me add another one. Okay. So let's assume this is 3 pages of book. I'll copy this heading. I'll go down to this place. So I have to go back. I don't know what I did here. So I'll paste. I'll go down to this place. I'll give space. Then I'll paste. Alright, you see. So let's preview it and see how it turns out. So are you seeing? Let me add page number so we can see clearly. So now page setup. Still page setup. I usually like using A5. So I see in the page setup. So I think I didn't add the number very well. Okay, I want to select this one. So 1, 2. Is it just 2 pages? Okay, the other one. Okay. So that's it.